how to transfer money from USA to Malaysia. Now, first of all, we need to use Remitly. Why Remitly? Because it has the lowest fees. So if you use the link below and create an account on Remitly, you will benefit from your first $1,000 without costing you any fees. Now, first of all, now go to Remitly and now select your transfer destination. In this case, it will be United States. Now select your destination that you want to receive. For example, the Malaysia, like that. So this is it. And now here you can type how much to transfer, for example, $1,000. And now click on get this rate. Now log into your account. Now, as you can see, this is our destination. Now click on send money. So you enter your amount that you want to transfer. Now click on continue. But before that, as you can see, this is how much you will pay. And this is your recipient, how much you will receive. After that, click on continue. And now select the delivery method. In this case, select the bank account, the bank deposit, sorry. And now select the bank that you want to transfer the money to. And after that, enter the account number that you want to transfer to. So after that, enter the recipient name. And now if you want to enter the recipient mobile number to receive the notification, you can. If you don't, click on skip. And now after that, add a new card and click on continue. And now you need to enter your credit card information to be able to transfer money. But before going on click on transfer money, you need to double check your information before going and transferring that money to your recipient. So after that, click on confirm and your recipient will be able to receive that money. So this is how to transfer money from USA to Malaysia on PC. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. See you next video.